How to turn off and on active status on Instagram. To do that, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram from Google Play Store on your phone. If you have already done so, then simply open the Instagram. And you can see on the down right side, there is a profile given. When you tap on your profile, you will see an interface like this. From here on the top right side, you click on the three vertical lines and then click on Settings and Privacy. And now scroll down unless you see the option of Messages and Story Replies. And from here, you will see the option of Show Activity Status when you click on it. If you disable the button, then the activity status will be off. If you enable it, then you can on your active status. By opening the active status, you will be active and you will also be able to see the friends who have turned their active status on. And if you off it, the people will not see if you are active or not, and you will also not be able to see who are active. So yes, this is how you do that. I hope you liked our video. If you liked the video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.